Welcome everyone. Today I wanted to do a different type of video. I don't know if you've seen it on Twitter, but there was a tweet regarding the number of active addresses within cryptocurrency. And today's video was going to relate to exactly why I think and why it's actually fact that we are so early within this cryptocurrency game. We are the early adopters, early investors, because the utility of cryptocurrency is still just not there. We are at the beginning. So if you think that this is the ceiling, I think that you're wrong. And this is why. There's a site called OnChainFX. I'm going to link it below. And basically you can sort by cryptocurrency the number of active addresses within that particular ecosystem. So we are going to go ahead and do that. You go to on-chain data over here. You go to number of active addresses. And then you can sort by the number of active addresses within the past 24 hours. So we're going to sort from highest to lowest. And as you can see, Bitcoin has the most at around 664,000. Ethereum drops by a factor of 2, 306,000. And Cardano is all the way down here at 3,271. And as you can see, Ethereum is here, but a lot of the Ethereum, the ERC20 tokens are not being used in the way that you think they're being used. I see Omise Go here. There are a couple of ERC20 tokens, but they're just not being used. So if you go on CoinMarketCap right now, there are around 1,921 cryptocurrencies, and I would argue that a majority are just not being used. They're not active. Cardano is bigger than a lot of the ERC20 tokens, and they haven't even released their smart contracting platform yet. They haven't released Shelly, so we are still in the beginning. As you can see, 3,271 active addresses for Cardano, and versus 306,000 for Ethereum. So we still have a way to go. I would want to look at this again in a year when our smart contracting platform is out, when when Shelly is out, because we need to have the smart contracting platform released in order to have cryptocurrencies running on this ecosystem, and more addresses will become more active. But we are in the early stages of our project. So as you can see, this is number 15. And another thing that I wanted to emphasize also is there's a way to sort by the number of GitHub commits. The commits is basically when coders or developers are writing code, they release their code to GitHub, which is a repository. It's like a bank of all the code that's being released within that particular ecosystem. So you can go to GitHub and see exactly what code is being worked on and how much code is being worked on. So let's go to the commits in the past year, and we're going to sort by highest to lowest. And as you can see, Cardano is number 4 at 3,961 commits to GitHub. And you may see EOS, 0x, Lisk above Cardano, but a lot of these cryptocurrencies, the GitHub commits, it's quantity over quality. What do I mean by that? Cardano is using functional programming languages. They're using Haskell. They are really, when they're releasing code, each line of code or their commits to the GitHub repository, they have meaning. A lot of these projects, they just pump out the quantity, but there's no quality. You can change the name on a website and then change one letter and then push it through as a commit, and then it's committed. It's not quality though. It's not things that are going to substantiate the ecosystem long term. You know, Cardano's code is working on Daedalus, it's working on its Yella, it's working on KEVM, it's working on Shelly. A lot of the interface behind Cardano, that's what it's working on. So when you look at these other projects and you see that they may have more GitHub commits, it means nothing. But when you look at the number of GitHub commits that Cardano has, it means something. So it's that whole argument of quality versus quantity. You know, and if you have both quantity and quality, that's when you have an exceptional project like Cardano. So let me know what you think. This was a quick video. Let me know what, I'll link this site below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video.